Guys, it's TC Skills here, back for another Brentford vlog. Today we face Wolves in the Championship. Let's hope we can follow up on the 4-1 win over QPR in midweek, and yeah, let's go. So 0-0 at the half. We've been playing well, but we've made a few stopping mistakes.
Just a couple of seconds to the winner today is 50-50. So he gets a guaranteed minimum prize of one pot of £1,000 and official club prizes. We raised so far raised over £20,000 towards youth improvement projects in the community sports trust. So we give those winners in just a second.
Second half and see if we can get some goals. So I'm back home now. I didn't really vlog much because there wasn't much to bring you. 0-0 end result. Our second point of the season, still winless. We had the opportunity to score, and the referee was awful. Should have been a sending off for Nico Yonoris's. He got elbowed in the face by one of the Wolves players. That should have been sent off. But anyway, we roll on to the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And if there's anything that I could improve on these videos or you want me to bring to you, just put that in the comments below and I'll read and respond to them accordingly. Anyway, on to the next one. And yeah, this has been TC Skills, and see ya.